Hi guys, my name's Hope Chambers. I'm a computer engineering student here at OU, and this is the OU Vlog.
We like to what? What do we like to do at the Innovation Hub?
We like to be freaking dumb.
Yes.
And goof off.
Of course.
And eat food.
All the time.
We got a lot of food.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it was already recording that little.
Oh. Okay. Are we recording?
We'll cut that part out.
The Tom Love Innovation Hub was made to foster innovation, entrepreneurship, and creativity. To do that, we provide you with the Code Lab, a Fabrication Lab, a Viz Lab, as well as a cafe to fuel those brain juices. Over here, we have our beautiful Cafe 201. You don't have to be a student to come here. You can be a community member. Over here, we have the Visualization Lab, where my good buddy Andrew works. So go ahead and tell us a little bit about the Visualization Lab.
So the Visualization Lab has 4 stations. We've got 2 Oculuses and 2 Vives. It's VR, and we've got a whole library games. You know, we've got fun games like Super Hot and Beat Saber, and we also got more creative tools like Count Flow.
Here in the Tom Love Innovation Hub, we also have a Fabrication Lab. With the Fabrication Lab, we have 3D printers, laser cutters, an electronics shop, and a woodworking shop. So anything you want to build, you can totally build it here. So Christmas is coming up, so I wanted to make a Christmas present for my best friend. So I'm actually making a keychain from the laser engraver. So what I did is I took a picture off the internet and brought it into Illustrator and rasterized it and edited it to look how I wanted. And you use the 2 colors, black and red. Black will engrave it, red will cut it out. So I edited it in the computer, and then I printed it using our laser engraving program. And then making a few more edits to personalize it, I just sent the code over to the engraver and press play. Welcome back. We're now here at the Code Lab, and I'm here with Devon, and he's going to tell us a little bit about what you can do here.
So this is the Code Lab. It's a place where students can come and try to get their ideas out. If they want to put into code, we try to put them in the right direction. We tell them if the software is pretty feasible or not, the type of roadmap they're gonna have trying to developing their software, and if they have just any general questions about programming, we're just here to help.
So I think the union's programming board is actually here working on a project now, so let's go talk to them. Hey guys, what are we working on?
Hey.
Hi.
So we're building a slide for the union programming board for one of our events.
Yeah, we always come to the iHub here. We have so much fun. It's a really great space.
That's really cool.
Yeah, everyone here is always really nice and welcoming. No matter what's going on, they're always willing to help and show us whatever we have to do.
Awesome. So what are some other projects you guys have done here in the hub?
We built catapults.
We built catapults.
We have laser printed maps for escape rooms.
What?
Connect 4 basketball was built here.
Big one.
Oh wow.
That's a really big one.
So we've done a lot of projects here, really.
Yeah.
That is so cool. Well, we love having you guys here, and thank you so much for being in the vlog.
Yeah, of course.
Thanks for having us.
Back to the grind.
Hi, I'm about to 3D print some parts for my robot for my engineering class. We're gonna try and make a robot fidget spinner. Well, a robot use a fidget spinner.
All right, thank you for watching this episode of the OU Vlog. Please come to the Innovation Hub to work on your school, work, or personal projects. We'd love to see you here. All right, bye.